10 tips on how to get Face ID working again on your iPhone. Check Face ID settings. Go to the Face ID and passcode in the Settings app. Enter the iPhone passcode. If the Face ID is not set up, tap Set up Face ID and follow the instructions. If it's set up, enable all features under Use Face ID for. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Position the camera properly. Positioning the camera correctly ensures that Face ID works as intended. If you're having trouble with Face ID, it's possible that the camera can't catch your face. Allow Face ID for other apps. Open the Settings app and select Face ID and Passcode. Enter the iPhone passcode. Go to Other apps. Enable Face ID on the app you're trying to use. Clean the TrueDepth camera and sensors. Over time, the TrueDepth camera and sensors can become dirty. To clean them, use a soft, slightly damp cloth to wipe the camera and sensors gently. Reset Face ID. Go to the Settings app and select Face ID and Passcode. Enter the iPhone passcode. Tap Reset Face ID. Then, select Set up Face ID and follow the instructions. Force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up button on your iPhone's left side. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the side button and wait for the iPhone to load. Turn off the Attention Aware feature. Go to the Settings app and select Face ID and Passcode. Enter the iPhone passcode. Locate the Attention Aware feature and turn it off. Update iOS. Open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app and select General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and tap Reset all settings. Enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Check for damage. If your Face ID still isn't working, your iPhone camera may have been damaged. Cracks, dents, and other mechanical damage can interfere with the operation of the camera and sensors, which can cause Face ID to malfunction. Take your device to an authorized Apple Service Center for further assistance. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.